back to 26 Acres Outdoors. Today we are cooking it up on Sunday. What are we doing? What are we using today, Izzy?
A smoker.
That's right. We're using our smoker. We're going to make some venison backstraps. Smoke those up. We're going to splice those up. Bring them up to room temperature while we get ready to make our... What else are we making?
Smoked mac and cheese.
It's going to be good. Stay tuned. We're going to get this rolling. We're going to make it. We're going to prep it all in the kitchen. Then we're taking it out to the shop in the man cave where the smoker is. We're going to smoke it, cook it, eat it. What else are we watching?
Football.
We're going to watch a little football. It is Sunday. All right, stay tuned. We're going to get this going.
All right, we're going to dock this up. A little Chop House burger from Ocean State Job Lot, a little garlic powder. And for our mac and cheese, we're going to make a little roux sauce, a little flour, a little butter, so you get a nice caramel color. Then we're going to add some heavy cream. Just keep mixing that in and cook it up till we get kind of like a paste, like a sauce, while our noodles are cooking. And it'll make a nice cheese sauce, or almost cheese sauce. We haven't added the cheese yet. Then start adding your grated cheese in, whisk it up till it melts. Don't forget Parmesan. Add your noodles of choice and mix it in real good. Add your panko crumbs. Get you a nice little topping. And a little bit of spice.
All right. We're out in the shop / man cave, and we got our Masterbuilt gas smoker going. Now, what everybody says is that this thermometer is always off, and they have the special one that goes into the meat and in there, but I'm, like usual, not prepared, and we're gonna just float with this one. Everybody says it's off 25 to 50 degrees, so we got it at 225, and from everything that I looked at, everybody seems to cook their venison and their mac and cheese at about 275. So I'm thinking when that gets to about 250, or even it's climbing, creeping slowly, that's where we're going to put it in. We're going to leave it in there for about an hour, and we'll check it. We're out here watching it. Make sure that temp doesn't get too high, because especially with the venison, don't want to overcook it. It'll be like shoe leather. Just like when you special, venison is not like cooking anything else, so it should be rather quick in there. Not too long. Should get a nice crust on the outside. And so that's that. We're going to put our chips in. We're going to use, what are we using, Izzy?
We're using apple and
Alder. Because we don't quite have enough apple. You want to dump all those in the tray?
Yeah.
We put the apple on the bottom. Get them all in there. And then we'll put some alder on top. Tray. Where's the water? All right, I don't want to lose a lot of the heat. Now you can put wine, beer, water and wine, water and beer if you want. We don't have any of that. We just got water, which I forgot, but luckily.
I have my water bottle.
So that's what we're using. All right. You got that rag for me? Because that's probably going to be hot. Pull that out. We're going to put our water in. I didn't even drink out of it yet.
No. You used all of my water.
Certainly did. Chips in. Smoking already. Close our door back up. We'll get the temperature back up, and then we're going to put in our venison backstraps, and our mac and cheese. So, all right, like I said, we're new to the smoking game, but I'll tell you one thing. I think I should have pushed it further back from the garage. This thing is smoking like a champ, and our temperature is way through the roof. We're going to turn it all. We're going to turn it all the way down on low. It's at 250. Hopefully, it drops a little bit. I'm going to close the damper a little bit in the back. Holy smokes.
All I have to say is do not do this near your house.
No.
I'm glad we don't have smoke alarms in here.
No, it's going to be an enjoyable game. Okay, here, this is what we're going to do. Heck, man, that thing is scorching. All right, so we got our venison all spiced up. This is olive oil from stuffed cherry peppers. So we got the cherry pepper essence, some cheese, and the ham prosciutto. So I use this oil for cooking. We're going to put this on top. So hopefully it doesn't stick or singe to the grate when we do it. I couldn't find a brush, so we're just going to drizzle it on. A little bit on. And when we put it on the smoker, we're going to put that side down. All right, well, the temperature is all the way down and it's still climbing. I don't know why. We're going to open the door. We're going to put our mac in.
Oh, brother.
That's because we have an absolute inferno inside because I put too many wood chips. That's the problem. Oh, it's heavy. We're going to put our skillet right in. Barely fits. Where's that crack? You don't need that one on. Don't touch that. I did not wet our wood chips down. That is the issue. They kind of just took off like a flaming hemorrhoid, right?
Yeah.
Oops. I did soak our chips, and we had an all-out inferno, and I burnt them all up. We're down. We're going to use alder. We have mesquite, but we're going to use alder, and I'm just going to get them a little soaked up for a little bit. I was wondering what was going on. That was the problem. I don't have the instructions for this thing. So it was all internet stuff, and everybody liked to skip the step of wet your chips. That thing just straight up smoked and then fired. So we're going to let that sit for just a little bit. Let it suck up. And then we'll get back to smoking.
Action.
Oh, that was hot.
Is that what it's supposed to look like?
That's what it's supposed to look like. Minus the giant flame that's going to open the door. So, I think we have it under control. Our temperature's at 250. We got a nice smoke coming out. And we have the fire put out. We have some more wet chips in case we need it. But, like I said, my neighbors are going to think my place is burned down back here. But, oh well, they can have some if they want. So we're going to let this go for about an hour, as long as that temperature stays, doesn't spike or anything else, and then we'll pull it out, see what we got. What do you think?
I think it's going to be delicious.
All right. Well, keep an eye on it. Well, it had wood chips a few times, and it ranged from 225 to 250 the whole time. It's been about there about an hour. So we're going to check it.
A really long time later.
Oh, that's definitely done.
Oh, get him out.
Come up closer. That is definitely done. Look at that. That's beautiful.
Ooh. Oh, look at our mac and cheese.
Where's the, we got our mac and cheese out. I'm going to put it right up on top. Ready?
Yep.
It's a little burnt maybe, but.
It is okay.
All right. We're true tailgating on a tailgate. I got a big enough knife, I think. Oh, that's good. Not left-handed. Cooling all off. Windy out here.
Yeah.
If I can get off the fork. Look how juicy that is. See that? Wow! Come on, Izzy. You chomp on a piece for us.
Well, when it's not stuck together.
What do you think? Like it? Give me that mac. Here, you hold it while I scoop it. Oh, look at that. You got a good... Oh, look at that. I didn't bring a spoon, so I gotta use my fork. Got a nice crispy top.
Ooh.
That is hot. Should let it set a little bit. But if you all know me, I'm a little impatient, always unprepared, but everything comes out usually pretty good. So let's see. I'm gonna take a bite.
Caution, hot.
Wow.
It's okay.
Gosh, and delicious. Here, you try.
Here, you hold this.
Wow. It's very hot.
Yeah.
That is awesome. All right. Izzy and I are going to make our plates and go watch the game up in the man cave. Like I said, this is our first time we used it. I cannot wait. I am going to smoke something every week for football. I hope you guys tune in and watch. We're going to do some different things. I got some friends come over. I did want to mention, when you have your cast iron skillets in the smoker or when you do anything, make sure they're seasoned. These, I have a set of these. These skillets, cast iron skillets, are older than me. They were my grandfather's. They used to be at his deer hunting camp. And as you can see, that thing's smoked in there and whatever. Look at that. Nothing sticks. Tasty. So super seasoned. That's key for cast iron. Takes a little time. But like I said, those are older than me. And they're at deer hunting camp, and they'll be cooking deer when I get my deer hunting camp. All right. I had to go for another round. So did Izzy. Time for a little football action. Woo! Man, that's good.